Our grandparents used to wash dishes in the river. Nowadays, every household is equipped with kitchen sink, right? But in the time of AI, kitchen sink must be equipped with some smart functions too, right? Definitely not this one. What about a kitchen sink with digital screen? Oh my god, look at this luxury waterfall kitchen sink. Am I in 2050 now? We control buttons that looks like piano keys, 3 different modes, spray, jet, and straight fall, waterfall outlet, rain shower outlet, and pull-out faucet, making your cleaning job easier. Soap dispenser and cup washer are also included with the kitchen sink, but I have a small kitchen space that can't even fit a chopping board. Plus, I don't want to clean up my countertop every time a chicken jumps off my chopping board. Basin, drainer, and chopping board are also included. Save your kitchen space, money, and hassle. Get it once and you never have to think about it again. Moreover, with the honeycomb design and sus 304 stainless steel made material, you never have to worry about careless scratches or safety issues anymore. What are you waiting for? Visit 𝗪𝗪𝗪 showroom at Bangi and Semunye to get yours today.